Waxing is, without a doubt, the best way to remain hair-free and smooth for long. But making those trips to the salon can be quite costly. While with Lifestance Waxing Kit, you can perform waxing in the comfort of your home and even save time and money by skipping your regular sessions with a professional salon. Plug in the power. The red indicator will light on. Pour the wax beans into the pot. Turn the temperature knob on and set the dial to highest 240 degrees Fahrenheit or whatever temperature you want. Wait for 10 to 15 minutes, depending on the level of heat you set, until the wax achieves a liquid consistency. Once liquid, spin the knob to the off, or place the dial in the middle like 160 degrees Fahrenheit if you want consistent heat. Lifestance Wax Kit has automatic power off function. When wax warmer is in a high temperature, the indicator light will turn down automatically and turn on when the temperature is too low. Apply wax. Once the temperature is right, scoop a thin layer of wax with a wooden spatula and apply on the waxing area. Spread the wax onto the area to be treated in the same direction as the hair growth. Wait a short period to harden, and then holding the skin firmly, remove the wax with a firm action against the direction of hair growth. Try to do this in one fluid movement, keeping your hand close and parallel to the skin. You can use the bigger applicator for larger areas such as legs and the smaller one for areas like eyebrows. Be professional. Keep your waxing goals on track.